Hello, America. This is Mark Hale with Wilson Print Marketing, Marketing Tip of the Day. Today, I want to talk to you about promotion and advertising. So there are two things that advertising and promotion need to do. One, they need to build your brand name familiarity. And two, they need to pull in callers, respondents, people that want to buy something. So when you're advertising, the biggest mistake that people make when they're buying advertising, they expect point number two, business to come in and people to buy, to happen immediately. And depending on what you're selling, sometimes that'll happen, but most of the time, it takes a little bit of time to bring people in because you're building that brand, that name of recognition, and people 100% of the time will do business or buy from somebody or a company that they are familiar with over somebody that they just heard of or have known for a long time. So you've got to do step one, which is build that familiarity before you can get the business coming in.